Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you modern kitchen design ideas for your home. Dear friends, getting your kitchen layout right is the most important factor in ensuring a functional and practical kitchen area. Whether your kitchen is small and cramped or large and expensive, a clever layout will make all the difference in helping you to get the most out of the space. Especially in a kitchen, there is a lot more to layout than just placing furniture and cabinetry. Ergonomics has a huge role to play as well. Getting the heights right, ensuring enough space for comfortable movement, placement of appliances, and ease of use all going to factor in your enjoyment of the room. While the floor plan of your home will most likely determine the layout that your kitchen will have, you can always optimize the area to work better. Here are the most commonly found kitchen layouts with tips to help you do just that. I'm going to tell you some of most popular kitchen layout types. First of all, the L-shaped kitchen design, a practical layout option for small and large kitchens. The L-shaped kitchen has cabinets along two perpendicular walls. Although the corner necessitates some clever cabinetry solutions to make it practical, the open plan design of the L-shaped kitchen offers great flexibility in the placement of appliances and work zones. While you can have the legs of the L as long as space allows, it is best to keep it to less than 4.5 meter for ease of use. How to make a L-shaped kitchen design? Where space allows, make the most of the corner by installing a wok and pantry cupboard. This way you won't lose the valuable space that is usually lost in a corner, and you gain a huge asset to your kitchen. With an L-shaped kitchen, you may even be able to create a small breakfast nook in the opposite corner, further increasing your family's enjoyment of the room. On the second number, the U-shaped kitchen design, a great layout for larger kitchens. The U-shaped kitchen consists of cabinetry along three adjacent walls. This type of layout provides plenty of storage, but can feel enclosed if there are upper cabinets on all three walls. To avoid this, choose upper cabinets along only one or two walls with open shelving, focal tiles, or a hub hood on the other. The U-shaped kitchen allows for great workflow and multiple users at the same time. How to make a U-shaped kitchen layout work. Keep window areas open and uncluttered in a U-shaped kitchen. This type of kitchen layout provides the perfect opportunity for an uninterrupted work triangle. So make the best use of the space by having the work areas on the opposite end of back and entry doors. Dear friends, thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.